create a Yelp account with email. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. After you're in the Yelp's website, click on Sign Up at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Sign Up at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find three options. Click on Continue with Email. After you've clicked on Continue with Email, you can click on Continue as Google account as well. Simply choose your account, which is your email account. After you've selected it, it will load and leads you to this page here. Add password, create password, add your zip code, and click on I am human at the bottom. After you click on I am human, click on sign up, and you will create your account. This is how to create a Yelp account with email. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.